Most of us grew up hearing that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Cereal companies, doctors, even our parents have repeated this for decades. But here's something surprising. Some researchers now suggest that skipping breakfast might actually improve health and could even play a role in lowering cancer risk. It sounds shocking, doesn't it? But before we throw away the cereal bowl, let's carefully uncover what the science really says, because the truth is more complex than a catchy slogan. When you don't eat in the morning, your body doesn't just stop working, it adapts. Instead of relying on constant food, it starts shifting into a fasting mode. Insulin levels drop, your blood sugar stabilizes, and your body begins to burn stored fat for energy. For some people, this may mean more stable energy levels and even better focus throughout the day. Scientists believe this natural shift may unlock processes inside us that are far older than human civilization itself. In fact, our ancestry didn't always have food available at sunrise, and their bodies evolved to handle periods without eating. One of the most fascinating effects of fasting is something called autophagy, which literally means self-eating. But don't be alarmed. It's actually one of the body's most powerful repair systems. During autophagy, cells identify damaged or worn-out parts and recycle them into new, healthy components. This prevents harmful buildup and keeps cells functioning properly. Animal studies suggest that autophagy can slow down tumor growth, which is why some scientists wonder if fasting might help lower cancer risk. However, the evidence in humans is still limited, and we can't jump to conclusions just yet. What we do know is that autophagy is a critical process for cellular health, and fasting appears to be one of the best ways to trigger it. Now here's where things get tricky. Some media headlines have made it sound like skipping breakfast is a magic shield against cancer. The truth? We're not there yet. Large-scale human studies haven't proven that fasting directly prevents cancer. In fact, skipping breakfast every day could carry risks. Some research shows it might increase the chance of developing type 2 diabetes or heart disease, especially if people replace breakfast with sugary snacks later in the day. It's also important to remember that not eating in the morning doesn't automatically mean you're healthy. It's your entire lifestyle that matters. Diet quality, exercise, stress, and sleep all play a much bigger role than one single meal. So, should you stop eating breakfast altogether? The honest answer is, it depends on you. Intermittent fasting, including skipping breakfast, may offer benefits like better weight control, improved insulin sensitivity, and even cancer protection. But science is still unfolding. For some people, breakfast provides essential energy, especially children, athletes, and those with certain health conditions. The bigger picture is this: your body has powerful repair systems, and fasting can help activate them. But whether or not to skip breakfast is a personal choice. The question is, are you willing to test it for yourself? Try skipping breakfast for just 1 week and see how your mind and body respond. You might discover something you never expected.